Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manshi Chokshi and in today's video we are going to pretend that we are in Vogue Beauty Secrets video. So I will walk you through my skincare routine and my go-to soft glam makeup look. So let's get started. So first I will tie my hair. So we are all set. Now starting with cleanser, I am using this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Foam. Just for your information, my skin type is oily. Next I am using the Face Shop Smart Peeling White Gel Scrub. I use this only once in a week. And I mostly like it to be focused around my nose area, forehead and chin. This scrub removes out all the dead skin. Next, I like to go in with this Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. I just like to pat it in my skin. Next, I like to go in with an eye cream. This is the Mom's Co eye cream. This comes with a roller. So I like to refrigerate it for 10 minutes before I use it. I like to move it in circular motions. Next, for moisturizer, I like to use this Face Shop Chia Seed Moisturizer. It has nice gel-like consistency, so it gets absorbed into the skin quickly. So I use a generous layer of it. So this is how the skin looks like. Next, after my skincare is done, I use a lip balm. This is the Wadi Herbals lip balm. It provides nice moisturization to your lips. So our skincare routine is done. This is how the skin looks like. So after letting my skincare sit for a while, I will now start with my makeup. Starting off with primer, I am using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Next, I am using this LA Girl Peach Corrector to color correct my under eyes. I am using a damp sponge to blend this out. Now moving in with foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I will be using very little of it, blending it using a beauty blender. Next for concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Applying concealer this way lifts up your eye. So this is what the base looks like. Now I will set it using the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. So our base is done. Now moving on to eyebrows. I am using this darkest brown shade for my eyebrows. So I am done with this eyebrow. See how much difference does it make? Starting with eyeshadow, I am going to use this shade all over my eyes. It is a nude shade. Next for mascara, I am using this Superfan mascara by Smashbox. This mascara gives nice length to your lashes. Next for blush, I am using this Sugar blush. It is a nice peach shade. Next, on daily basis, I don't like to use a powder highlight. I use this liquid highlight. It blends into your skin quite nicely. See how natural it looks. Finally, for the lips, I am using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. So this is the final look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.